Good morning. Today we are going to see about NLP with guided project bootcamp video. So in this, let the data confess. Let the data confess. So they are planning to conduct a bootcamp on coming August 8th and August 7th, 2021. So here you will learn a hands-on experience on NLP with guided projects. Apart from this, you will get certificates also. We will read more about it. Okay, sorry. Okay, so here the cost of this project is about 500 rupees, and date and time will be 3:30 to 7 o'clock IST, August 7th and 8th. And people who are able to, because everybody have office, so people who are students and all can attend this, I think so. So it's a live 7 hours mini boot camp where you will learn the basics of NLP, as already it is mentioned here. So these are all the things covering in this project. Prerequisite should be, these are all the prerequisite. You should have Kaggle account and deep learning basis you should have. So some reading material will also be provided later, the deep learning. And you should have an internet connection. Python you should know, and laptop with i3 project processor at least. Okay, so what you will learn, so this one. Okay, then this is for NLP. Who know NLP will all who know NLP and who wants to learn more about NLP and NLP, natural language processing, that is trending, one of the trending technologies now. Everybody who are all data scientist or machine learning engineer or NLP engineer definitely know about this. So it's very very trending, this NLP topic, natural language processing topic. And you will learn all this. So what you will learn, understanding the business problem, everything. Then apart from this, what you will get here: bootcamp completion certificate, project that can be uploaded to your resume. These are all the things that you will get. A project to uplift your Kaggle profile. All the resources used during the bootcamp, that is data plus code, lifetime access to our growing data science community. Then this is agenda day 1, day 2. Then it's an excellent event. Overall, I would say it's an excellent event. So if you have any other questions, so like what is the, when will I have this question? Okay, will I get lifetime access to the videos? Remember, this is a workshop and not an online course. See, what is the minimum requirement? In order to receive the certificate, we require our participants to be present in the. So what are the questions you have? You can actually contact also. You can type in contact, and whatever the questions you have, mainly majorly FAQ they have mentioned. So make use of this. People who know, who wants to learn more about NLP definitely can enroll with this without any doubt. And also it's very, I would say it's very cheap only, and you can register it out. Thank you so much. Keep learning. Thanks.